Today, let's explore the lifestyle that awaits you here at Balay Helena, one of the most accessible and well-positioned condominium communities here in Panglao Island, Bohol.
Balay Helena may not be near the sea, but it's right along the main road. Super accessible. Buses and other vehicles passes here all the time, so getting around is really easy. It's only 15 minutes to Alona Beach and 15 minutes to Tagbilaran City, so you're close to both the beach and the city.
Right now, I'm here in the showroom. Actually, we have 4 unit types here at Balay Helena. The studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and the sky garden. This studio unit is perfect for singles, couples, and even young professionals. It's compact and well designed. With a space for your queen-size bed, you can even put up 2 single beds here or a bunk bed. You also have a small dining area, a kitchenette, and a clean and modern bathroom. It's easy to maintain and ideal for those who want simple and comfortable living. This is Plaza Helena, the community strip mall where everyday convenience meets relaxation. Here you can rent out available spaces that is good for fine dining restaurants, local food spots, and even retail stores.
And what truly sets Balay Helena apart is it's developed by the same group behind the Grand Hotel, a name known for premium hospitality and quality service.
Message us at our following social media pages and I'll help you secure your unit. Once again, I'm Chedi, your Boholana broker from La Bella Realty, where beautiful living begins.